There's a new index annuity termed Smart Boost. This contract guarantees a free 40% boost, not a bonus, a boost, that is added to your Enhanced Accumulation Value the day your annuity is issued. So if you roll over a $100,000 401k, you receive a $40,000 boost to your retirement savings. On a $1 billion rollover, that's a $400,000 boost. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds way too good to be true. What's the catch? How can they do that? Well, I'm going to answer those questions and break things down so you can see exactly how this annuity works. Hi, I'm Sue Cunningham, the Wealth Protection Lady. I help clients nationwide protect their retirement savings from market losses and taxes using strategies like Index Universal Life and fixed index annuities. A lot of annuities offer a bonus, but this is not a bonus. They call it a boost because it's tied to how the product is structured, not just funded from nowhere. It's a 10-year strategy, so this is not for short-term money. The 40% boost fully vests over 10 years and is contractually guaranteed at year 10. That's the trade-off. Every financial product has a trade-off. Stocks have high upside but high risk. Bonds have low risk but low return. Savings accounts are safe but earn a tiny return. And annuities are safe but they have a long-term time commitment. Smart Boost simply uses that time to fund a higher growth guarantee. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Every time I talk about annuities, somebody says, but Ken Fisher, Dave Ramsey, and Susie Orman say annuities are bad. To clear this up, these personalities are referring to variable annuities, which are risky and loaded with fees. But this index annuity is about moving money out of the stock market and into a safe contractual guarantee that Wall Street cannot replicate. So if you have a 401k, 403b, or TSP from a former employer, or an IRA or a Roth that you want to protect from market losses, you can roll it over into this index annuity with no tax consequences whatsoever. There are no fees, and you can never lose your principal or interest earned due to a 0% floor. If you already own an older annuity, you can do a 1035 exchange into this new one. Now this is huge. If you have thought about a Roth conversion, the 40% boost would more than offset the federal taxes due, even if you're in the top 37% bracket. Your taxable money becomes tax-free money, and the boost covers the tax hit. And the life insurance carrier takes care of everything for you. Investors lost a significant percentage of their wealth during the Great Recession, with the S&P 500 index falling by approximately 57% from October 2007 to March 2009. And an estimated 1 in 4 households lost at least 75% of their wealth. We are so overdue for a market crash. Take a look at this chart. This chart goes from 1980 to January of 2025. The blue line is the S&P 500. The red is investors borrowing on margin and inflating the market. Along with everything else that was going on at the time, anytime that got extreme, crash. Extreme crash. And look where we are today. It is more overvalued now than at any other time in U.S. history. Let's take a look at an illustration. For compliance purposes, I can't name the carrier. I ran this illustration on a 50-year-old male rolling over $100,000 from his 401k. He puts in his $100,000 and then he receives a 40% boost on day one. Values projected on the non-guaranteed basis is based on the past 10 years of actual index performance. Now let me explain, there are some new terms this annuity introduces. The Enhanced Accumulation Value, or EAV, is the greater of the accumulation value and the vested guaranteed enhanced accumulation value, or GEAV, and is used to calculate the cash surrender value, RMDs, and lump sum death benefit. This is how much interest would have been credited based on the past 10 years' performance of the index. The 0 years are those with a negative return. Due to the 0% floor, you can never lose your principal or interest earned. The accumulation value does not include the 40% boost. The vested EAV is the initial premium plus the vested boost of 4% annually for 10 years. This has a 10-year surrender period, so in year 11, you will see the values in these columns the same for the first time. If you passed away during the first 10 years of the policy, if the death benefit is taken as a lump sum, the death benefit is equal to the vested EAV. If taken as equal monthly installment payments over 60 months or 5 years, the death benefit is equal to the EAV. Now, you would have no access to your money at all in year 1. In years 2 through 10, you can access up to 7% of your accumulation value. But if you are not 59 and a half yet, you would have to pay the 10% IRS penalty for early withdrawal. As someone who acts as a fiduciary for my clients, my job is to eliminate risk and position you for secure, predictable retirement outcomes. Smart Boost is not a magic solution. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a stock replacement. But if you're looking for guaranteed growth, principal protection, legacy enhancement, tax-deferred accumulation, and stability during economic uncertainty, then Smart Boost is one of the strongest options that has been introduced in years. If you want to take a closer look at this with me and supercharge your retirement, click the link in the description below to schedule a free consultation. Drop a like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to protect and grow your retirement wealth with confidence.